Hey guys, I wanted to shoot this quick video. We just rented out this Airbnb here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and it's a really cool place. It's a studio, and I'm going to walk you through and give you a little video tour. So here we go. Here's the main entrance door, and it's got a nice little bench here. It's a shared unit, so essentially we have people next door here that share this common space. And so here's the actual unit itself. It has a really cool view, so got a nice little flat screen TV here, and here's the actual living room area. As you can see, nice little area here to hang some stuff on the wall. Take a look outside, and I'll show you this view here. It's pretty cool. We're on the 11th story right now, and you can see it's pretty cool down there. There's a pool at the very bottom here, and then there's a pool on the, I think this is the 4th floor, and as you can see it goes all the way up. It's 37 stories tall, this area, and there's actually a pool on one of the top floors up here, which we went up to, and it was absolutely beautiful. So as you can see, it's a pretty cool place, very urban. Hey honey.
Hi.
How'd you like the place?
I love it. It's beautiful here.
You're beautiful. All right, so let's go back inside. Let me show you the rest of the place. Like I said, we found this on Airbnb. Got a smoking deal. I think it was like 40 some bucks a night, which is super cheap. And here's our little kitchen area. And here's a little desk to eat and so forth, or a table, I should say. I'm actually going to be using this as my little mobile office, and some of my MacBook Pro there. What's kind of cool about this place is the shower. So this is kind of like a little, I don't know, kind of storage area, whatever, but you can kind of get some fresh air from right here, as you can see. Kind of another view from out there. We're just letting some stuff dry and hang from swimming in the pool. But take a look here. This bathroom, what's kind of neat about it is the shower is actually the same room as the toilet and the sink. So this is pretty common with a lot of Southeast Asia places. I don't know what they're called, a little jet thing to clean yourself after you use the restroom. And so this shower unit actually blows out hot water here in the same area, so you're taking a shower like right in front of the toilet. So I guess that's kind of a cool way to conserve some space. So that's the bathroom. Let me walk over and show you the bedroom. It's pretty cool too. Bedroom here. It's all kind of one common area, so as you can kind of see, it's all like a studio. So here you go. Here's the bed, and it gets freezing cold from this AC unit. But I think what's really neat is the view. It's a very urban view, so really nice view of the outside. Here's kind of the view from the bed. You can kind of see, you kind of wake up to that. So if you're really into like an urban landscape kind of thing, Kuala Lumpur definitely has that, got you covered. So here's kind of a view from outside the window. Very nice patio that we were showing you before. So yeah, I'm going to carefully bring my camera back in here so I don't drop it down there. So yeah, that's pretty much our place. How do you like the place so far, honey?
I love it. The
pretty
pool
cool.
Upstairs is really cool. We'll have more video on that later.
We'll shoot a video for that later. So cool. All right. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.